From the first hello, we build it right. Facts in the books and joy in sight. Step by step.
Hello, welcome to Link to Legacy. I'm Kelly, an educator with over 23 years of experience. Today, we're going to practice handwriting slowly and clearly so beginners, students, and English learners can follow along. Let's begin. Today, I'm going to start by practicing the letter A in cursive. Besides that, we also have the letter D. As you can see, the letter A and the letter D have similar loops. So once you are able to properly form the letter A, you will also be able to properly form the letter D. So let's begin. Take a look at my pencil and where I start. They always give you a place to start. And when I start my letter A, I always start in the middle of the line and I start with this loop. You go around, it's kind of like forming an oval. From that oval, your pencil does not leave the paper. You go down and up. Let's practice together. We're going to start, form our oval. You go down and up. Start, practice our oval, down and up. You're going to start, practice your oval, then you're going to go down and up. Usually you have your loop so you can continue to write in cursive with your cursive letters. Let's practice. So, it's the first one. And I want you to practice as many as you can until you stop. The next one we're going to work on is our letter D. And we're going to have our oval. And this time we're going to take our line all the way up, come back down, and over. Oval, go up, and down. Oval, go up, and down. Oval, go up, and down. All right, let's do our practice all by ourselves. So we got our oval, go up, and down. Oval, go up, and down. When you begin to learn how to practice and write cursive, everyone develops their own style. And there we are. We have completed our cursive letter A and our cursive letter D. Now, we're going to work on connecting the letters. So as you can see, I have the letter A connected to another letter A and stop. I have the letter A connected to another letter A and stop. Now let's practice. Oh, we all make mistakes. Hopefully you have your pencil. Let's start all over because everybody makes mistakes. Nobody is perfect, and it's okay to make a mistake while you are practicing. So we can go down, up, and let's keep going. This time, we're going to connect our letter A to our letter D. So let's go. That time, did you catch it? We added 2 letter D's. So what I want you to do, you're going to practice along with me. We're going to go, and we're going to start with our A and our D and come down. As you can see, my letters are starting to take on the personality of how I write. And your letters will start to take on the personality of how you write. And it's perfectly okay as long as the formation is correct. And as you can see here, I'm adding another D. Okay, so here we've added 3 letters together. And let's keep going. We're going to keep going with our D's and connecting them. So we have a D, connect D, and back. We got our D and back. Let's keep going. And done. Here, we're going to keep practicing, but now we are going to add DA. And when we come all the way to the end, we're going to have our word dad. So we're going to connect the D, the A, and the D. And finally, dad. And the last thing we're going to do, we're going to practice writing our word. So let me adjust the camera. And we got add, loop. Now let's do it on our own. And then we have dad. And we're all set. You always want to start off with the already written word or letter to gain your flow, and then next to it, you could add your own practice. So that concludes our lesson for today. Today we've learned how to write the letter A in cursive, the letter D in cursive, and we've also added some words and how to connect the letters. You can get this book on Amazon and join me in our series on traditional handwriting beginning cursive. The book is from Carson DeLosa Education, and this is the cover that you'll be looking for, the book that you'll be looking for, and I will put a link in the description. And thank you for joining me today, and I will see you next time.
Gets room to aim. Hands up, hearts open.